Hello, I'm Teresa and I'm going to talk to you about IT and library services at the University of Kent. Today we're going to cover getting connected and working online, using the digital library, how to use a physical library, including using study spaces and how you find and borrow books, and how you can get support. Everything we're covering today and more is available via the Moodle module Hello Library and IT e-induction. We'll be monitoring the chat, so please ask any questions that you have in the chat as we go along. Getting connected. If you're on campus, the university Wi-Fi service is called EduRoam. Don't use Wi-Fi Guest or GovRoam. It's available almost everywhere on campus, both in the buildings and outside. You need to use your Kent IT account username followed by @kent.ac.uk. So for example, abc12@kent.ac.uk. Your Kent email uses the same credentials and you can access it via Outlook. You have access to free software and tools at Kent. Microsoft 365 is free to all students and you can use Word, PowerPoint and Teams, plus the rest of the Office suite on up to 5 devices and on student PCs in the library and in study hubs and PC rooms on campus. There's also lots of office, study, teaching and research software that we've brought for you and apps that offer you different ways to study and work. You can have a look at what's available at www.kent.ac.uk/software. You'll also find lots of guidance and advice to help you study online, including help on using Teams on the Hello Library and IT e-induction Moodle module. Your digital library. We have a huge digital collection where you can access online from anywhere. Always use the links from the web pages or library search so you can access the resources we subscribe to for you. Library search is the gateway to library resources and the best place to start when you're looking for your readings. You can access library search from the University of Kent's web pages, or you can go straight to it at librarysearch.kent.ac.uk. We're going to watch a short film now that shows you the best way to search for a book in library search.
You can search library search by typing in keywords into the search bar. However, we recommend that if you know exactly what you're looking for, that you limit it to searching by author and a few keywords from the title. Let's look at an example. Say that we wanted to find this book, The Ultimate Study Skills Handbook, by multiple authors. Rather than typing in the whole title, what we can do is just pick a few keywords from the title and one of the author's surnames. So let's search for more and study skills and see what results we get back. You can see that the first result that we get back is the title that we're looking for, and this is shown as being available as an ebook. This is a digital version of the print copy and can be accessed from anywhere at any time. To read the book, simply click on the link to ebook. To begin with, you'll be asked to authenticate and you'll need to log in with your Kent IT account login details. You'll then be taken to the book. You can see that you've got two options here. You can either read it online or you'll be able to download, effectively borrowing a copy of the digital book for a set number of days. We recommend that you use the read online option unless you need to access the book offline for any reason. To read online, just click on the read online option and you can then navigate to the section of the book that you require.
The physical library is called the Templeman. The library building is open Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 p.m. and at weekends from 9 to 6. Following government guidelines, there's a limit to how many people can be in the library at any one time, so you may need to queue to enter the building at busy times. Make sure you have your Kent One card with you, as this lets you enter the building, use the printers, and borrow and return books. Safety is our priority, and we've taken extensive measures to ensure that our services and facilities are COVID secure. This includes limiting the number of people in the library at any one time, so you may need to wait to enter at busy times. Please ensure you comply with the rules around social distancing and don't move furniture. Clean your workstation and keyboard mouse if you're using a student PC before use with the wipes provided at study space entrances. You can study without a mask once you're seated. Please also respect the area you're in regarding noise levels. Please make sure you have your Kent One card with you, as you won't be able to get into the library without it. The library has a range of study spaces, so you can choose where you wish to study. You can eat and drink in the library, but can only have hot food in the cafe. If you're being disturbed by others or have other concerns regarding the library spaces, just let us know by emailing us with the details of the issue and where the problem is on library-report@kent.ac.uk. You can borrow up to 40 books from the Templeman at any one time. Items will be automatically renewed unless someone else reserves them. If you need a book and all copies are on loan, place a reservation to get it. To keep track of all your borrowed items, log into your account in Library Search. We're now going to watch a short film which shows you how you find your book on the shelves and how you borrow it.
The Templeman Library has over 1 million books, journals and multimedia items, but it's easy to find what you're looking for when you know how. Every item has what we call a class mark, which is sort of like the postcode for that title. To find a book's class mark, use Library Search to look up the item. You'll see a section on each search result called Find It on the Shelf. This tells you the block, floor, row and class mark that you need to be looking for. If you don't know your way around yet, it's a good idea to find a map of the library. We have touchscreens in the Welcome Hall where you can search by the first letter of the class mark. You can also search by subject area if you don't have a specific title in mind. We know from Library Search that the row we're looking for is in B block on floor 2. The map shows us where that is. When you get to the right area, look at the shelf ends to find the right row. Now you know the book is on these shelves somewhere. Lastly, work your way along to find the specific class mark you need. Class marks are shelved incrementally, so it shouldn't be too tricky. Once you've found the book you need, take it to a borrow and renew machine to check it out yourself using your Kent One card. These machines are smart and know which books you're borrowing, even if you put multiple titles on at once. Don't forget to get a receipt, there's an email option too. Now you're ready to take your books home.
Everything we've covered in this session and much more is available on the Moodle Hello Library and IT e-induction. Don't forget, we're here to help you, and you can contact us online, by email or phone. Thank you.